Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Kenny's 2 review. Today we're going to go over this new transmission filler, not the brake mass fluid bleeder. I know we got it all in this one cart here, but we had a new manual pump transmission filler, and it broke finally. So it's only like $10 more for the pneumatic one nowadays. So that's what we got. It's actually a sucker also, or extractor. If you turn the knob, the air will then suck stuff out, but we're probably only going to use it for filling, just to keep it from getting dirty. It does come with this set of fill adapters, which does a lot of stuff, and it does not have the Audi one in here. There is another kit that it's not that much more expensive. I didn't buy this, the shop bought this, so I don't have any control of which ones they buy. But I'll put that one somewhere. I'll put a picture of it here on Amazon. Not that much more expensive. Comes with 27 pieces, I believe, that has the Audi one in it, or you can just buy the Audi one separate. But this one does have a lot more than these other kits from the old ones had. This is what the Audi one looks like, by the way. We don't need it, so we actually have two of them. My boss made one, and then this is the one that you get for the Audis. But that's what it looks like, the one that we made. So you can just get a plug and kind of do the same thing, I guess. It also comes with a bunch of tubes and a brake tube as well, and some other bigger tubes. And then it comes with this tube, obviously. We did have to get this adapter here, the one size fits all adapters, because the air chuck actually is one of these, which I guess we could have changed, but we didn't. I don't know. It's usually a lot easier just because sometimes the threads in here are different size or whatever. Just get one of these, one size fits all deal. Let's see, 5-in-1. You can't blow it up. It's got a pressure relief valve on it, so don't worry about just hammering away. You know, you'd hook this up, hook the air, turn the air on, and then if you want to dispense, you turn it all the way to the right where it is. If you want it to suck, you go to the left. And then you hit the handle here, and it'll just start pressuring. Once you get to too high a pressure, this thing will pop, so it's not like you're going to do anything. It's got a ball valve on the end, so you can shut it off and stop dispensing if you wanted to, so you don't overflow or what have you. It's working really good. It's made a good quality. Vevor makes good stuff. I'm sure it's made in China or something. I didn't look at that part. Here's a spec sheet of all the different adapters and what they go to. Got some Audis, you know, all different kinds of stuff. Here's the guide, so if you don't know how to use it, you want to use it. I don't see where it says it's made from, but yeah, there's your working pressures. You got 40 to 170 psi. Interesting. I don't think it ever went up that high. I feel like that's off. Yeah, I guess that's how much it'll take before it pops. This definitely relieves way before 170 psi. So don't know too much about that. I will post the one that I would have bought. Just it's a little bit more expensive. Looks like better quality, has better reviews, but the Vevor one will work just as good. Especially if you're a DIYer, I guess there's no reason to go extra bits here. And if you're a DIYer, you probably don't even need this, because I bet your air compressor, if you got a pancake compressor, has this fitting on it already. So there's that. We put it on this nice little cart here, so it's not super disorganized and everything's ready to go. And then also have a nice place to put the brake pressure bleeder now too. So I don't know where he got the cart, so I can't do that, but it does seem like a really nice cart. Probably got it off Amazon if I had to guess. So leave a like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. There will be a tool giveaway on my other channel, which I'll put on one of these up here. You can just go and subscribe. You want to be subscribed, and put the notifications on, so when that giveaway becomes public, you can just comment on that and get entered in. So leave a like on the video if you liked it, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and thanks for watching.